Hey, how's everyone doing? This is Oz with Oz Mechanics, and on today's video is going to be a special video. So my niece and my sister-in-laws, they're going to be taking over Oz Mechanics right now. So they've been wanting to do a video with me, so with this one, I'm going to let them take over this channel. So they're going to make a video on how to change out your oil. So if you can, put a big thumbs up if you do like this video, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell to get all the brand new videos coming out from Oz Mechanics. Now I'm going to direct them to them. Hope y'all enjoy.
Hey, this is Jazz,
Abby,
Victoria,
and today we're going to change oil on Oz Mechanics.
so let's get to it
Yeah. First thing we're going to do, we're going to lift up the vehicle.
and change the oil. Go ahead, Jazz. Hey, this is Jazz, and we're going to be showing you what tools we're going to be using for this job. We're going to be using this to remove the oil filter, size 16 socket to remove the drain plug, and these towels to clean up after ourselves. Now I'm going to send you over there so they can show you how to take it off.
Hey guys, it's Victoria. Right now I'm gonna send it off to Abby so she can show you how to replace the oil.
Yay!
There you go.
So now we're using this drain pan to collect all the oil. So now we're gonna turn this filter to the left, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. That's a good saying.
Once we remove the oil filter, make sure that the gasket is on the oil filter and not on the engine. Alright guys, after we're done tightening up the drain plug, now we're going to grab a towel and now we're going to clean around the areas that have oil spilled around.
Alright, now that Abby has drained out the old oil and has removed the old oil filter, we are going to get our brand new oil filter and we're going to hand tighten it till it bottoms out. Once it bottoms down, we will use our oil filter tool to finish tightening it up. Once that is all done, we will get our drain plug and hand tighten it, then finish up tightening it with our ratchet.
Alright, so I'm going to be helping out the girls on this one, so we just got to get our plug, figure tighten it, and then after that we're going to get our 16mm socket, and remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, but make sure that you don't over-tighten it, okay? So I'm going to send it off to the girls right now.
Now that we finished removing the filter and draining the oil, we are going to lower the vehicle to start filling up the oil. So I can't reach over there, so I'm going to get Ozzy to pour the oil for me.
Now I'm going to pull out this dipstick to verify we have proper oil levels. Now we verified that the oil level is good. Go, we finished changing the oil.
Remember to press that like button and hit the subscribe button.
And also turn on the notification bell so you can get brand new videos from Oz Mechanics.
Bye.